Welcome to TMB Designs. I am Trevina, your host of this fabulous lifestyle channel. It is full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity. My desire is to help you transform your space from house to home. Hey guys, it's Trevina with TMB Designs, and I am smack dab in the middle of decorating for fall, just doing some fall styling. And I'm working in my dining area, and I thought, let me just turn the camera on and give them just a glimpse of how things go behind the scenes, so to speak. So as you can see here, I am in the middle of changing some things. I'm playing around with some items I just picked up, and I've got to make a few changes to the buffet itself and do some styling. So let me give you a little, I guess I don't say it's a disclaimer, but at any rate, this is actually a dresser, you guys. I picked this up several years ago at an, it's not a surplus store, but you know how furniture stores may have, and you may not be aware of this, a lot of furniture stores will have like a what you call a clearance room in the back of their store and another part of their store. And a lot of times, some of the furniture is perfectly in perfect good condition. It's just being surplus out for whatever reason. Well, this particular piece, you guys, was brand new, still in the box. But what happened with it was that the delivery guys dropped it during delivery, and one of the screws on the feet was stripped. And so the person that they were delivering to did not want it. Nothing was wrong with it. Now, the scratches you see here are just from my years of wear and tear, but I know that we're getting ready to make our final move, and I'm going to do a nice restaining on the whole piece once we get there. But for right now, she's just going to be fabulously flawed, and as they say, it's character. So just look at it, and when you see a scratch, it's character, okay? But what I am going to do, what I am doing, as you see here, I have added these beautiful crystal knobs, and this is what the original knobs were like. Beautiful, but they're kind of dated, so I just kind of want to spruce it up a bit. I'm torn about this piece. I said I'm going to refinish it when we move to our new home, but I don't know. Part of me wants to go in a different style direction, but I'm a true traditional girl in every sense of the word, and I love solid wood pieces, so I'm having a really hard time wrapping my mind around parting ways with it. It has to be a piece that really sticks out to me to make me part with it. But right now, I'm going to glam her up and just give her a nice fall style. And up on top of the buffet, you guys, as you can see, I found some beautiful artwork just last night, actually, at Home Goods. And I decided, I knew that I wanted to change this mirror, but I wanted to change it with another mirror. But when I saw this piece, I thought that would be perfect to bring in all of the colors that I want to bring in. As you can see here, this is my original wall plate, plaque, however you want to say it. And I'm switching it out. I've already switched that one out to the champagne color. I absolutely love that dish. I actually just hauled it, so you may be in the video before this one. I'm not sure what order it's going to be coming out, but that's going to be that I hauled that in the video. So those that saw that haul, that's where I'm putting it. So everything is just kind of coming together. That's just some items I'm using to do a fall wreath for a client, so I really need to move that. But enough talking. Let me just turn the camera around, get you guys set up, and I will start decorating. But before I do, let me go in and show you guys. I absolutely love this. It's so cute. It is it's a canvas piece, but it has like the beautiful beading and stones, and I don't think the camera's doing any justice here. And as you can tell, or if you can tell, I have played around with the styling of it. It's actually I have it laying on the horizontal, and it's supposed to be hung the other way, but I thought this pattern was very creative, and it just kind of gives a unique style. And I'm kind of getting my inspiration from a piece that I saw at Z Gallery, and I've been watching it for over a year now, but the piece is $400, and the frugalista in me would not let me release $400 for that painting. I was going to attempt to do a DIY, which I brought all of the material to do so. But when I saw these in Home Goods, and let me share with you the price. Can you see that? $24.99. So for 50 bucks, I have this beautiful piece, and I thought, as opposed to hanging them side by side, I'm gonna hang them on the vertical, and I'm turning them opposite way that they were actually originally. As you can tell, I know that's awkward, but it's like supposed to go that way, but I'm hanging it that way just to give a different look to it. So yeah, let's get into it. I can't wait. Oh my goodness, you guys, I absolutely love the end results of my canvas. I took the top canvas and I flipped it to the left, and then I took the bottom canvas and flipped it to the right, which gave the picture a nice flow, and I hung them really close together to where it fools the eye to look like it's one elongated piece, but it's not. Here you see I've gone ahead and changed out the other wall plaque. I am now cleaning up the buffet from the debris or leave it fall out from the canvas pieces. But you guys, I'm using to create this runner. I layered on the runner from Pure One in the center, and then I just added 2 of my placemats from Home Goods to give me this elongated runner. Now I am adding these beautiful 3-piece candle holders. I absolutely love them. The detail on them are absolutely stunning, and even better, it's a perfect match to my cake dome. Just absolutely stunning. But I do want to bring in a splash of fall, and what better way than to add on this beautiful 2-layered pumpkin. It's a mercury glass pumpkin, so everything just kind of flows cohesively together in that mercury glass family. So I want to bring in just a few more splashes of fall, not to overdo it, because I want it to be an understated elegance on this particular buffet. After playing around, getting everything positioned just so, let's move on. Time to style the dining table. You guys may have seen this particular style from a collaboration that I did, but I got so many requests to see me actually do the styling. So I figured it would be a great way to incorporate it into this video. So to bring in the element of surprise, you guys, I wanted to use something totally unexpected. I initially thought about a fur runner, but that's been done before. So I thought, what about bringing in a full faux fur throw? Try saying that 3 times. But it is just the perfect wow factor to this design. Okay, now we're going to layer everything up, you guys. I'm using those beaded placemats from Home Goods. You have seen me use these time and time again. When you buy timeless classic pieces, you can use them season after season because it's neutral. It's giving me that glam factor that I want. Keeping with that glam element, I am adding these beautiful mirrored chargers from Tuesday Morning. Absolutely stunning. And we're going to continue on with the glam. These champagne glitter plates, you've seen me style with these before. They are from Home Goods and an absolute go-to piece of mine for a table design. Absolutely gorgeous. Again, you guys, I'm creating a beautiful neutral glam pumpkin patch. I love, love, love it because I have my pop color. There it is. You guys already knew I was going to bring in my tried and true blue. So here we are, adding that pop of blue, coming in with my ombre glasses that I picked up from Home Goods. They are just a perfect touch of elegance and glam. And now continuing on to layer, I'm coming in with a neutral napkin, you guys. And I have those beautiful napkin rings from Totally Dazzled. The leaf design are just perfect for the fall decor. And the wow factor. Nothing sets a table off like a beautiful centerpiece. I'm coupling this centerpiece with these mercury glass candlesticks because they complement the mercury glass base the centerpiece is housed in. When doing tablescapes, you guys, you want to keep your theme cohesive because I know that I'm going over the top, avant-garde if you would. I wanted my wow factors to be somewhat neutral and allow the blue to pop. Again, telling the same story. Now, let's build this glamorous pumpkin patch. This is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. I collected these pumpkins from Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Burlington, and various places. I did a Pumpkin Mania haul to show off my glamorous pumpkin collection, and it is a glamorous pumpkin collection indeed. Key to a luxury design, you guys, is to layer, layer, layer. Of course, this table is strictly for show, but when you're gonna show, you better show up and show out. I absolutely love the way this is turning out, you guys. Continuing to just add more and more layers of luxe, glam, giving me that opulent, over-the-top feel that I want for my glamorous pumpkin patch. As I put on the finishing touches, I want you guys to feast your eyes on my glamorous pumpkin patch. This is my fall dining room refresh, you guys, and I am absolutely in love with the end results. These beautiful pillows were the perfect finishing touch to my design. They pick up all the colors beautifully and complete the story of my beautiful glam pumpkin patch. If this is your first time visiting, welcome to TMB Designs. I want to invite you to please go ahead and hit that subscribe button along with that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video. It is a lifestyle channel full of beautiful content such as what you're viewing now. Be sure to give the video a big thumbs up and share. Leave your comments. Let me know what's your favorite part of my dining room refresh. To my tried and true, I want you to know that I forever love and appreciate you. So until the next video, have a blessed and most beautiful fall day. Smooches!